Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part two. That first video hadn't been out just a few minutes, and somebody's already asked me how I created this. Well, I did not create this. The guy sent it to me, or a young man sent it to me in a file. But looking at it, and so even if I was going to redo this, one, you could use the freehand tool and just kind of mimic that, but it's not perfect. If I was going to do it for real, I would take the 3-point curve line, and I would make a curve, hold it down, let go, hit the plus key on the keyboard, mirror it, maybe mirror it again, and then take this point and join it at the edge. Well, that's pretty close to his. Now you need to group this together or weld it together, and then just hit your plus key and you could, it doesn't have to be perfectly down, and then grab both of them, go up to effects, blend, and let's blend them 75 times. There you have it. Those lines are perfect. So that way, when you take another item and put it in there, if you put it like right in there, this way you can take your Smart Fill tool and let me zoom in a little bit and just start filling in every other. It's a pretty neat effect because they're not symmetrical. They're not, they change. This is where you can see the swoop, and you could do it anywhere on there and get completely different looks. And that alone looks pretty cool, just like right there. Anyway, hope that answered their question. Thank you for watching.